Hello everyone. Today I want to present you a unique novelty on the world market. Wi-Fi TV touchscreen for integration into kitchen furniture from AVEL, model AVS220KT. The device is ideal for installation in a standard kitchen cabinet with a width of 600mm. The installation is carried out using the BLUM, KESSEBOHMER or HAFELE elevator systems, to which you can fully utilize the space behind the TV. A handle made of brushed aluminium can be removed if necessary by unscrewing several screws with a small crosshead screwdriver. The case of the Wi-Fi TV is made of metal painted black. The front panel is made out of tempered glass, so the TV will be in perfect condition with the rest of the kitchen appliances. The full HD screen with a diagonal of 21.5 inches has 178 degrees viewing angles, which gives us the opportunity to watch a high quality image from anywhere in the kitchen. You will be able to use recipes from the applications while cooking and watch any programs during the meal. Thanks to the two built-in loudspeakers with a power of 6 watts each, we get high quality sound, in addition aesthetically solid glass without any additional holes, looking much better. The TV is controlled via a capacitive touchscreen with multi-touch support or with the help of aerial mice, which is included in the package. The operating system, Android 7.1 Lollipop, significantly expands the functionality. You can easily install your favorite applications from the Google market and use a TV as an informational display with the weather, traffic jams, and currency rates, which saves you from having to grab hold of your phone. Thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi and the availability of LAN connector, the television channels that we used to watch on a local antenna can be viewed via the internet through free applications that are available in the Google market. If you get up before everyone else and do not want to interfere with the rest of the family, the built-in Bluetooth will allow you to connect wireless headphones to the TV and, if necessary, any other gadget. The built-in microphone and camera will allow you to chat directly from the kitchen with friends, family or colleagues without leaving your favorite cup of coffee. If you want to watch your favorite movie and the internet connection is not available, you can connect to the hard drive to one of the two USB connectors, and you can also watch the photos you took today at the child's holiday directly from the SD card separate connector. Additionally, there are an RJ45 connector for connecting wired internet or for connecting the TV to a local home network. If you have a special mini USB cable, you can use it as an additional USB input, and a mini jack connector for connecting external speakers. In the next video, I will show you the unbox of this TV, and we will go through the installation process on various lifts in more detail. Goodbye.